I really like it when talented people are just getting together on the street and doing a cipher, enjoying music and just spitting the bars and spitting the truth. I really like those videos. I really love them way more than, some studio videos, and because this is real, this is something, this is the vibe. So this is how I saw Wolf on the reels from Rajpur Chhattisgarh. So street cipher, raw bars, talented. Yeah, this is good. So this was Wolf from Rajput Chhattisgarh. I love these street ciphers a lot. They are so cool.